Since 1980, we have been pioneers in Spain in engine rebuilding. At Asysum Group, we have developed our activity around the principles of the circular economy. Experience supports us in the reconstruction of the different components of the car with full guarantees of quality, safety, and reliability. At Asysum, we operate under these principles of reconstruction, reuse, recycling, and ecology, offering a wide range of automotive components, such as engines, both automotive and industrial, cylinder heads, injector pumps, gearboxes, turbochargers, differentials, transfers and torque converters, catalysts. But how does our production system work according to the principles of the circular economy? Let's say, for example, that a client in Toulouse has suffered a severe breakdown on his vehicle and needs to replace the engine. Asysum Group, in this circumstance, offers a rebuilt engine through the exchange system, in less time and at a much lower cost than the original one. How does the exchange system work? Asysum sells a rebuilt engine on the condition that the faulty engine is returned. Thanks to this system, a component reuse cycle is implicitly regenerated. Whether they are engines, gearboxes, turbos, or any of Asysum's other sectors of activity, our logistics centers receives components, spare parts, and functional elements for later review and reuse in the automotive sector. After an initial analysis, the parts with a useful life are used for the future use, while that others no longer useful are discarded and subsequently recycled. In the case of an engine, for example, a rebuilding is carried out on the basis of a combination of new, machined and reconditioned components. We grind part of the components to be reused in CNC machining systems, leaving the piece as standard. We recondition parts from other recycled engines already disassembled. These parts are tested and verified. The assembly in turn is carried out by specialist operators based on the specifications of the original manufacturer's model and following the highest quality standards, being able to guarantee a fully functional engine in terms of performance, safety, and reliability. Once assembled, the rebuilt engine is tested to deliver the same functional and operational levels as its factory-produced counterpart, certifying an equal product in specifications ready to be shipped to our customer. A rebuilt engine saves 80% of new material over to an original one and consumes 50% less energy in the entire production process compared to building a new engine. In fact, a rebuilt engine is perfectly tuned to emit even less particles into the atmosphere, contributing to a better environment. And of course, it is much cheaper. At Asysum, we are part of the solution. We believe in the sustainability of our production cycle by giving a new life to the different components of the automotive sector. At Asysum Group, we reuse, reduce, recycle.